Hello everyone, welcome to Learn GK Easy. In this video, we will see 40 countries and their national birds. So let's start the video. India,
Peacock,
Iraq,
Chukar, Partridge,
Israel,
Hoopoe,
Nepal,
Himalaya, Monal,
China,
Red-crowned crane,
Malaysia,
Rhinoceros, hornbill,
Pakistan,
Chukar, Partridge,
Singapore,
Crimson, Sunbird,
Japan,
Green Pheasant,
Philippines,
Philippine Eagle,
Armenia,
Golden Eagle,
Belgium,
Kestrel,
Croatia,
Nightingale,
Finland,
Whooper Swan,
France,
Gallic Rooster,
Germany,
White Stork,
Greece,
Little Owl,
Iceland,
Gyrfalcon,
Ireland,
Lapwing,
Norway,
Dipper,
Poland,
White-tailed Sea Eagle,
Scotland,
Golden Eagle,
Sweden,
Eurasian Blackbird,
United Kingdom,
European Robin,
Egypt,
Golden Eagle,
Kenya,
Lilac-breasted Roller,
South Africa,
Blue Crane,
Zimbabwe,
African Fish Eagle,
Mexico,
Crested Caracara,
the United States of America,
Bald Eagle,
Costa Rica,
Clay-colored Thrush,
Brazil,
Rufous-bellied Thrush,
Colombia,
Andean Condor,
Australia,
Emu,
Austria,
Barn Swallow,
Denmark,
Mute Swan,
England,
European Robin,
Myanmar,
Burmese Peacock,
New Zealand,
Kiwi,
Russia,
Golden Bicephalic Eagle,
So we have seen 40 countries and their national birds. Hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please like, share and comment. And if you are new to this channel, do subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.